Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a simple but super useful tool that everyone should have at home, the 502 Super Glue Instant Adhesive. And the price? Right now, it's just $1.99, down from $4.14, which is a solid 52% off. This is a quick-drying cyanoacrylate glue, designed to create a strong, instant bond in seconds. It works great on leather, rubber, wood, metal, plastic, and a bunch of other materials. Whether you're fixing a broken item, doing small DIY repairs, crafting, or quick household fixes, this glue gets the job done fast. Just apply a small amount, press the pieces together, and you're good to go. Comes in multiple pack options, so you can keep one in your toolbox, one at home, and even one in your car, because let's be honest, super glue always comes in handy when you least expect it. It's also REACH certified, with no high concern chemicals listed, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. For under $2, this is one of those no-brainer purchases that can save you time, money, and frustration. If you want to grab a pack, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you enjoy finding useful tools and budget gadgets like this, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, tools, and everyday problem solvers.